Hello, this is Harinath. In this video, we will learn indentation in Python. First, we see examples in Visual Studio Code. See, in this program, we have written two lines x equal to 10, y equal to 20. The first one is what is indent? Indent is a space given before the starting of a line. For example, here x equal to 10, we don't have any space. If we give a space like this, here we have given one space indent to that statement. Here we will get error. In Python program, indentation rules must be followed. Then only the Python program will run. If indentation is not correct, the Python program will not run. That means here we have started with the no space in beginning of the x equal to 10. Next, the next statement also starts with the same indentation. Okay, if you start with indentation with one space, here we will get error. See, y equal to 10, sorry, y equal to 20, we have an indentation here. That means in Python, the statements in each block must have the same indentation. Okay, next, if x equal to 10, here we have started a new block. The new block must have an indentation. That means the statements within the if block must have the same indentation. If you want to write a statement in if block, we need to give indentation. Print x. Here we don't have a error because it's the indentation for a new block. If block is started, then the statements within the if block must have the same indentation. Generally, if you give a one space is sufficient, but giving a four spaces is a best practice. Okay. Next, so if you run this program, we will run get a so we will get result 10. Okay. Next, print y. Okay, this is a second statement in if block. This must also be in the same indentation. Here we have given four spaces. Now the second statement must have also four spaces. If we give a five spaces like this, we will get error. And also if we give a three spaces like this, we will get a error. That means in each block, all the statements in the each block must have the same indentation. Next, if you write it like this, x equal to 10, y equal to 20, if x equal to 10, print x, next print y. Now the print y is in indentation of this block. Now this program is correct, but the print y is not part of the if block. For example, if y equal to 20, if you write a nested block, then also we have to give a spaces. Okay, now the print x is a part of the if x equal to 10 and print y is a part of the if y equal to 20. Okay. These are the indentation rules, and important one is here don't mix the tabs with the space. If you give a tab, next if you give a space, we also get the tab indentation error. Okay. In Python, if indentation is not correct, the program will not run. The indentation rules must be followed if you want to run a Python program. Next, if every block must have its statements indented. If one block is started, then all the statements within the block must have the indentation. Next one is all lines within the block should have same number of spaces. That means in if block we have written two statements. The two statements must have same spaces. Next, don't mix tabs with spaces. If you mix, you will get a tab error. Next, each indentation level must have at least one space, but using four spaces is best practice. If you start a new block, then giving a single space is sufficient, but using four spaces is a best practice. Next, if you write a block within the another block, that means a nested block, statement inside should be indented with the additional four spaces. By following these indentation rules, we need to write a Python program